In today's video, I'll show you how to add services in Wix. If you run a business and want clients to book appointments, classes, or courses directly from your website, this setup is essential. Start by opening your Wix dashboard. This is where you manage everything related to your site. From the dashboard, go to Catalogs, then select Booking Services. This area is designed specifically for creating and managing the services you offer. Once you're there, click Add a new service. Wix will ask you to choose the type of service you want to create. Select Appointment for one-on-one sessions, Class for group sessions, or Course if you're offering a structured program. Next, you can either use one of Wix's templates or choose Start from Scratch if you want full control over the setup. After that, fill in your service details. Add a clear service name, write a short but compelling description, set your price, and choose the duration so bookings are scheduled correctly. Finally, select the service location. This could be your business address, the client's location, or a custom location depending on how you deliver the service. Once everything looks good, click Save. That's it. Your service is now live and clients can book directly through your Wix website. Thanks for watching and happy booking.